Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with another first impressions review for you guys. And today I'm going to be reviewing the new Milani Longwear Concealer. I've been waiting for this concealer to come out at my store for a while now. I feel like my store always gets everything last, so I'm always last to get it, and I hate ordering online, but I will if I have to, like if I really want it. The only thing that didn't have was the stick foundation from Milani, which I was really bummed out, but I did want to try the concealer for you guys, so I went ahead and picked it up, and I believe it was like $7.87 for the price. The color that I got was 140 Pure Beige. I don't like to get the concealer that's exact my skin tone. I like to get it a little bit lighter so that way I can highlight under my eyes, because I do like that highlight look still. So I zoomed you guys in a little bit closer so you can see my face. I only have eye makeup on. I did put primer on my face already. I used the e.l.f. Putty Primer. I've been really loving that, you guys. It's really good, affordable, the bomb. And also I am wearing e.l.f. eyebrows today, the pomade, and then like the e.l.f. eyeshadows. I'm using the e.l.f. Matte for Matte eyeshadow palette. That palette's really good. But anyways, we're not here for that today. We're here for the concealer. So this is the concealer here, you guys, and it's the normal size as any other concealer, I would say. And it's a Longwear concealer. So I'm just gonna start, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just put it on my eyes. And I do have eye cream under there. I put eye cream a little bit earlier, so that way it's moisturized under there, because if I don't, it's going to be dry as hell. So this is the applicator right here. It's normal like any other applicator. So let's see. So it doesn't feel thick when I put it on. Feels kind of like a watery consistency. So that makes me wonder if it's full coverage, because usually full coverage feels like really thick, and this one doesn't. But let's blend it out first and we'll see. So I'm going to use my e.l.f. Beauty Sponge to blend it out. Right off the bat, it's really easy to blend out. It's not hard. I did feel like it was drying out really fast when I was blending. So this side was a little bit not as easy to blend out. So I would only do one side and then put the concealer on the other side and then blend that one out, because I feel like it did dry really fast. Like if you can tell, like it kind of went in my creases. Do you see those little creases that I have there? And the little ones? I don't really like that when the foundation first does that. Like, I feel really sad. But let's set it and then we shall see. Because as of right now, I'm not really liking it. The consistency is like really watery. It's not thick. And I mean, it's not no Tarte Shape Tape concealer, you know, but like it went into my creases. Can you guys see? Like it's in my creases right there. And I don't like that when a concealer first does that, like right off the bat. Some concealers normally tend to do that when you're wearing it throughout the day, not when you first apply it. So let's set it and then we'll see. So I'm gonna use my my Fenty Beauty banana powder. I've been really obsessed with this powder, you guys. It's really good. It's bomb.com. I'm gonna use my Sigma 35 tapered brush. I love this brush. I've been using this for like years to set under my eyes, and I like to use it for a highlight too. It's crazy now because I see on their website that they have like a 2-year warranty, because I have bought brushes off of them and they like broke when I was washing them, and I was like, what the fuck is this? Like, bitch, this ain't cheap, that's just expensive. But anyways, this brush has that. It's really good. I bought it like so long ago. Let's see. My creases are still there. I have like really bad under eye creases, especially this eye over here. I don't know what the hell it is. Maybe I need Botox or something, but they're like really bad, the little lines. And most of the concealers don't do that, and this one did. I'm like really disappointed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set the rest of my face. I'm gonna put the rest of my makeup on, and then I'll come back and we'll see if it's better. Okay guys, so this is my finished look with all my makeup and everything on my face. And I still don't like the concealer because I can still see the creases, and that's really sucky that happened, because I really had high hopes for it. So I can just imagine the foundation stick, but I don't want to say that because I haven't tried it. But so the concealer did not work because they're still there. The creases are still there. They didn't hide with a powder or anything. The concealer just like sunk right in, and that's like a big no-no for me. Really, right off the bat, some foundations, they don't do that. I'm sorry, foundations. Concealers normally don't do that. They usually, it takes, you know, like I said earlier, it takes a couple of hours after I wear it for it to crease. But this one like did it automatically, like right off the bat when I applied it, and I set it to give it a chance, and it's still a no for me. So sorry for the ones who do like it. I don't like it, so I'm probably gonna return it. I hate returning makeup to Walmart. Like, I hate it. They just look at you like, I have a return. Okay, bitch, it didn't work for me. I have my receipt, so take that shit back. You know what I mean? Like, they still get paid for it, for the freaking returns, whatever the fuck they do with it. Sorry for my language, but sometimes it just makes me mad. But thank you guys for watching my videos and supporting me, even though I didn't like the product. Maybe the next product I will love, or I will like. I'll keep trying it out to give it another chance. Like, I'll probably wear it tomorrow for work and see how it goes, and I'll update you guys in the description bar below. But as of right now, I don't like it. I'm really sad. It ain't that expensive, so it's not like it killed my pocket or anything. So those are my final thoughts, and I'll leave that there. I'll keep you guys updated in the description bar below to see if it did the same, if it worked, if it didn't work. But yeah, I'll keep you guys noted. Thank you guys so much for watching and always supporting me and leaving comments down below. I love you guys, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.